it's Scola, and I am wearing the cutest t-shirt ever. You guys need to read this. It's so cute. I love it. I got it for Christmas from my sister. She's my fave. Anywho, so today I am doing a collab video. Aw, snap. Spirit fingers. The other one's doing it too. Anywho, I am doing a collab with NicsNutrition. We're going to be showing you some healthy lunch and snack ideas. I absolutely love her channel. She is a registered dietitian. Go check out her channel because she has a ton of amazing tips, really in-depth, really good stuff about nutrition and a whole lot of other stuff. She has some amazing recipes, so go check out her channel. I will leave the link down below. So as I said, today we're going to be showing you some healthy lunch and snack ideas. So if you're getting in a little bit of a rut and you don't know what to make and you're getting bored of the same old healthy stuff, we've got some recipes for you that should spice the kitchen up. Over on Nick's channel, she did the healthy lunch ideas, so you should go and check that out. And I am doing the snack ideas because I am the queen of snacking. If I could snack for the rest of my life, I'd be a happy little one. So let's get started. those are the snacks. I hope you guys enjoyed them. I hope they looked super yummy to you and you were like, yeah, I'm gonna try that. Do comment below and let me know which one you're gonna try, which one looked too luscious not to try. Plus, if you'd like a breakdown on all of the recipes will be over on my blog, so if you want to check out what you need, there's a blog post for you guys to go and check out too. Anyway guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Go check out Nick's video down below, the link will be there. And thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay luscious, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! To be crazy and get this really sparkly dress. The reason why I decided to get this sparkly dress is because randomly I will have events that I need to go to, but I need to look super fancy for, and then at the time I just don't have enough time to buy a dress. Like whenever I have an event coming up, it just seems like everything is so busy and so all over the place that